Protecting your car paint is important to keep it looking good for a long time. Just washing your car will not be enough, and a paint protection product such as MEGUIAR'S ceramic car wax can provide great protection for your paint. This ceramic wax is a car paint protection product that uses a silicon dioxide, in short SiO2, hybrid technology that's so easy to use. This contains silica, which is used to make glass, and this is intended to make a thin part protection layer on your car paint. This hybrid wax and silicon dioxide combination is easier to apply than ceramic coating, and you can actually wax your paint as you rinse off your car. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. There are 3 methods that can be used to apply this product. The first method is suggested by the manufacturer. MEGUIAR suggests after washing the car, rinse off the soap and spray on the hybrid ceramic wax on the wet paint. Then follow with a second rinse using a strong stream of water, such as a power washer. This final rinse helps to spread and lay down the wax for you. Dry the car like you normally would with a microfiber towel. Method 2 is to spray on the ceramic wax on the wet clean paint in sections and use a microfiber cloth to dry the paint. The third and final method is to spray the ceramic wax on clean, dry paint, then dry with a microfiber cloth. Though it is easier to apply to wet paint, applying to dry paint gives a more lasting result. Method 2 and 3 require a little buffing. When done, you're left with ceramic protection and durability that last well beyond conventional wax and provide extreme water beading protection. I am at a self-wash car wash and I just finished washing the car. As you can see, the paint is still wet and it's time to apply the ceramic wax. I will be using method 2 today, which is applying on wet paint, then buff and dry with a microfiber cloth. It's best to do this out of direct sunlight. I recommend working in small sections. Continue in all sections until you complete the entire car. You can also use this product on plastic and rubber trim because it won't aze. Please like and subscribe, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.